Well, here's progress so far. Uh, I mean, you can tell me what you guys think. I mean, it does look okay, actually, in my opinion. Now, that might vary for other people, and now, you guys can tell me down below what you can tell me what I need to do to improve my renovation skills. I'm just trying to use what I got and try not to unlock anything because unlocking stuff, it's just, I use it just can be a pain. I'll go with the blue. It might complement this. It might. And yes, I'm making the room nice and bright. It's got a mix of old, mix of new. I decided to keep the Xbox type of whatever gaming machine they have in there. But yeah, this room is finished. I just leave it like, well, maybe I'll put a window. I might put a window in because I think it needs one in here. Let's see, can I put a single? Perfect. And let's see if can I put curtains. And I'm only gonna put like white. Yeah, perfect. Then there's privacy. These I've been needing to replace. In here, I want to get rid of this because I hate European windows. I hate them with a passion. So I'm gonna go. I'll tell you once I got this other room finished. Wow, this place is worth $144,200. I kind of feel a little disappointed after that. I put more than that into this. I mean, alone, uh, wow, $146,000. Can you guys believe that? This place is almost restored. You guys can make fun of me on the tile work I did here, but that's what I did. That's what I felt like doing. I'm going to try to go basic on everything else because I just don't like how much I'm spending on this. I'm going to be honest. I don't like how much I'm spending. Well, what do you guys think? This house is finished. I know it's kind of plain in some spots and kept the gaming stuff in the other spots, but I'm going to be honest, you guys. I did kind of go basic, but I wanted it to still look good. I made the bathroom smaller because I wanted to. I went with a little bit different vibrant of colors. I'm happy how this one came out. I mean, yeah, I could have done more, but I'm trying to save money. And I kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you all in the next one.